Hi guys, it's Luke from KWASTEK, and today I'm doing a little bit of a fix video. It came about from me testing out Nextcloud within freenas, and I came across something that I've found is a bit of an issue for a few people. So the issue starts at the update screen. So after we hit start update, we wait for an eternity for everything to download and get ready to go here. Now essentially the issue comes from this section here where stupidly I just went continue installing, hit yes. What you should be doing if you're running Nextcloud inside freenas is actually click on no. That will give you a web-based install like update tool, and that's what you really need. Now if you do accidentally hit yes, that's what the rest of this video will guide you into how you get out of that. So after you hit there, see, we are locked in maintenance mode. So the only way to get this server out of maintenance mode is to head into freenas, find the PHP and manually edit the config.php file to take it out of this maintenance mode. So with that said, let's head to freenas. So head to shell, and shell, now I can show you exactly how long and how many paths I took to actually track this down, but I'm going to speed this up for you a little bit, guys. So I'm going to throw up on the screen here the path that you will need to take to get to the config folder for Nextcloud, where the config.php is. Now just a note here, in the file structure you'll see that I've put some brackets with jail pool. So you would select the pool name, or the name of the pool where you've installed your jails, and that adding that into that file structure should land you exactly where you need to be. Okay, so once we're in this folder, what we need to do is enter in our nano command, config.php. No need for sudo since you are already running as a super user. Okay, so you can't see it because it's all blurred out, but basically this is where all the information is kept for the server that I'm running. So there's some delicate information in here that I sort of don't want anybody to have, even though this is a test server. But ultimately, as you scroll down using the arrow keys, you will find a line that says maintenance. So right there, so maintenance. Now maintenance at the moment is set to true. We need to change that to false to turn maintenance mode off. So if we just change this to maintenance mode, we still had to complete the install. So change it to false, and then what we do from here with nano, control X to exit. It will then ask us if we want to overwrite, Y for yes, and then hit enter to actually save. So there, and then we should be good to go. So now if we head back to our Nextcloud server, and obviously we'll need to refresh that. Now we're at this screen here to hit start update. This is what you would have been presented with had you have hit that no option. So for those updating in the future, just hit no. Now I really hope this has helped a few of you guys out there. If it did, please give us a thumbs up. If you liked it, again, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and for all you guys out there that are playing with the Nextcloud stuff, if you've got a better or faster way of sorting this out, I'd love to hear about it. Anyway guys, that's all from me, and I'll catch you in the next one.